Previously, I showed you how to control your Midea air conditioner via Home Assistant. That way, you don't have to use the Midea app to control your Midea AC. One less app you have to deal with. Sadly, Home Assistant still have to deal with Midea Cloud Server. That means if Midea server is down for whatever reason, you cannot control it remotely using Home Assistant or using the Midea app itself as well. Today, I'm going to show you how to control the Midea no matter what. Even if the Midea cloud is down, you can still control it remotely via Home Assistant. Because we're going to take this AC unit completely out of the cloud and make it 100% local. This trick works with other manufacturers as well, not just Midea. In this video, I'm only going to show you Midea just because that's the only thing I have in the house. For materials, this is all we need, nothing else. It's basically a USB dongle, and as you can see, it works for Midea, Idea, Neoclima, Electrolux, Bico, and some other stuff. This is the Midea model that I have. Go ahead and pull this thing out. This is your filter holder, by the way. So just hold it right here, and on the left side, grab it as well, and then pull it forward. Once you pull it forward, you should see something like this. Here's a USB extension cord. Here's the USB stick. We no longer need this chip, so go ahead and find a way to remove it. I find that the easiest way is to get the extension cord loose right here. Once it's loose, then you can slide this down and out. Here you can see that the USB stick has been removed, and go ahead and install your new USB dongle. Once all is said and done, go ahead and put everything back into its place. There we go, looking good. As soon as the USB stick is connected, you should see a blue LED light on that USB dongle, assuming that your AC unit is plugged in, of course. Next up, jump on your phone, try to scan for the Wi-Fi access point, and you should see something like this. AC Wi-Fi. Go ahead and connect to it. It's password protected, so go ahead and type in the password, and then click on connect. Obviously, this AC Wi-Fi does not have internet access, but go ahead and connect to it anyway. Next up, open your browser and go to this URL, 192.168.4.1. Click on your home access points and enter in the password for that. Now the USB dongle will connect to your Wi-Fi network. If it's successful, then you will no longer see the AC Wi-Fi access point anymore. With a name like this, you can tell that the MAC address, the last 4 digit is 7711. You can use it to assign a static IP address if you ever wanted to. Here you can see that I'm using an IP scanner and I can see it on my network. This is the IP address and this is the MAC address that you saw earlier. Go ahead and open your Home Assistant up, go into Settings, Integrations, and it should automatically pop up as seen here. Air Conditioner. Click on Configure. Click on Submit. And assign an area if you want. Totally optional. And now it's in your Esphome integrations. There we go. We can see the air conditioner right now. Currently it is off. Click on the pencil icon to give it a name. And then click on Update. Rename. For sensors, you want to get 3. Humidity, power, and temp. It's interesting that we can see how much power it can consume. Right now it's off, so of course it's 0 power. If you want to take control of it, go ahead and click on the icon. In the mode, go ahead and choose your mode. Let's turn on the fan. Obviously, all of this can be automated. For instance, if the temperature is too high, then Home Assistant will automatically turn the Midea on to any temperature that I want. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful on how to make your AC unit completely local and independent of any cloud servers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.